Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a post to your favorites on VSCO. So, today in front of me is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, and before all of that you want to open your VSCO application, obviously. Then you want to search for a post that you like, so you can search it through the feed or just discover the posts that you like. So let's say maybe this one is the post that I really do like. So I want to click, and you also want to click if you want to add a photo to a post to your favorites, this star right here. So this means after the star turns black that this post is added to your favorites. Now, where you can find it? You can find it by clicking this icon right here in the top left corner, these two lines, and this will bring you to the, the main hub of the settings, or, just some options. Then, as you can see, you can find favorites right here, so you just want to click on the favorites, and now you can find the posts that you have put to your favorites. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!